Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of activating your Optimum Mobile SIM card. Whether you're switching to Optimum Mobile or just need help getting started, this step-by-step guide will make the activation process smooth and easy. Step 1. Unbox your SIM card. Start by unboxing your Optimum Mobile SIM card. Inside the box, you'll find your SIM card along with instructions and other important information. Make sure to have your phone and a stable internet connection ready. Step 2. Visit the activation website. On your computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to mymobile.optimum.com to begin the activation process. You'll be directed to the Optimum Mobile activation page. Step 3. Enter your SIM card. Information on the activation page, you'll need to enter the unique SIM card number. This number can be found on the card itself, usually beneath a barcode or label. Make sure you enter the correct SIM card number to avoid any issues during activation. Step 4. Provide your account information. Optimum will ask you to log in to your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a new account by providing your personal details, including your name, address, and payment information. If you already have an account, simply log in using your username and password. Step 5. Choose your plan. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to select your mobile plan. Optimum offers a variety of plans to suit your needs. Choose the one that best fits your usage and budget. Don't forget to review the plan details before proceeding. Step 6. Confirm your activation. After selecting your plan, review your order and make sure all the details are correct. Confirm your SIM card activation, and you should receive a confirmation message that your SIM card has been successfully activated. Step 7. Insert your SIM card. After activation, carefully insert your Optimum Mobile SIM card into your phone. Make sure the SIM is placed correctly in the SIM tray. Restart your phone to ensure the settings are applied correctly. Step 8. Test your connection. Once your phone is back on, test your connection by making a call or browsing the internet to make sure everything is working fine. If you experience any issues, try restarting your phone again or check Optimum's support page for troubleshooting tips. Conclusion, and that's it. You've successfully activated your Optimum Mobile SIM card. Enjoy your new mobile service with Optimum. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips and tutorials.